Peace, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great daily day. Grand dose. Feathers up, by the way. Package just came. Let me show y'all. I'm rocking selfie mode. Y'all know I got a damaged device, so I won't be able to scan that. And I don't think I got the one where I can scan it. So either way, it's whatever. But the package came. So I'm on selfie mode, so I'm gonna just put this down. And I'm gonna try to cut this open for y'all. Enjoy the stealing. Oh, let me show y'all. Let me turn it. Whoop. I'm gonna show the address. Oh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Quick. Look at that. Oh, all right. Welcome to the. Ooh, I got a ticket inside. Oh, we got some. Hold up now. Hold up. Welcome to the funnel hacker community. Okay. You'll see that. Let me see it. All right, I'm so grateful. I mean, there's a decision to get the Secret Trilogy box set. Everything you has been taken 15 years to discover. I don't remember getting the trilogy. I do have all the books now. Supposedly, even I haven't opened up the next one. You guys will know by then. Whoa. Well, okay. See, ClickFunnels test drive. ClickFunnels for free. To get my $2,000 course, 100 new templates for free. Okay, just for saying maybe get your trial irresistible offer. All right. Funnel scripts, get all the money, sales, and scripts, and webinar side, the emails, ads, written it's in little as 10 minutes. Okay, I like that. Jim Edwards and Russell. I kind of know these. I kind of been familiar. You guys know if we done the OFA opening box, with that one. And let's see, what the frick? Get a free copy to the new marketing secrets app. All right. Let me see. If you enjoyed the secrets found in this book, you'll love the Marketing Secrets app. It shows posted twice per week. So, okay. All right. Let's see. What's this? Let me put this down. I don't want to mess up the order. You know how that is. Let's see. Order the Secrets Trilogy and get the Secrets Workbook for free. I saw that. I turned down that option because I felt like it was just kind of like, whatchamacallit, what they say, like it's kind of like a study guide, even though it would be beneficial, but I figure I'd just rather have the books and then I just kind of know that as what I go by. But hey, let me see what they got on the back. Funnel. Hopefully y'all can see. I like I said, I got this on the selfie mode. You know what I'm saying? The funnel hacker community. Join secrets twice away, free per. Get all the best marketing podcast secrets. Okay, build. Get all the sales, ads, scripts, webinars, emails written in. Okay. Sounds like what it's regurgitating what the saying on the other side. Let me see, join the funnel hacking community. Still, let me close this one out. Boom. All right. .com secrets finally arrived. Finally arrived. Can y'all see that? .com secrets have finally arrived. You know how long we've been waiting on this thing? Like, I know some of y'all who've already gotten this, y'all probably been waiting a long time on this one. But I'm saying the reason why I said we waiting a long time is because, one, we're in quarantine, and as if you know, like as far as with shipping and stuff like that, it has been delayed. like whatnot. Even with our products, you guys know if you guys ordered a one of a kind apparel or artworks at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, you guys know that our stuff is as far as just the postal service, everything's kind of delayed, but we still using this at the time as a gift in order to grow and whatnot. You know, look at that. Can y'all see that? Here go the back. DOTCOM secrets is the framework. Okay. Whew. Yo, we need this book, man. We needed this book, man, because it talks way too much about it. It talks way too much about it. You know, we've gotten the expert secrets. And as you know, actually right in front of me, the book I'm reading right now is 30 Days by Russell Brunson. And you guys know we've done that because you go look at our video of the OFA challenge we did, the 30-day challenge. You know, we done that. We opened up the whole package. You guys saw that. Highlighter on deck. You know, you got to take notes. You really got to study this stuff to really get it. You know. Whew, look at that. Hold on, look at that red. I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm a bookhead, so I love. Did I see? Okay, I'm a bookhead, so I love. Oh, this must be the new edition. This is the second edition he's talking about because it's got the Traffic Secrets. The Traffic Secrets is one of his later books. I'm actually gonna do an opening after that. You guys should be, or it'll be done before this. You guys will see that for sure on this channel, Healing Through Inspiration. Yep. Okay. Here it goes. Look at that. Hook story offered attractive character. Yep. That's one of the biggest things we had to learn about the attractive character. I guess we were doing a lot of different things, but you know, we noticed in order to get some more base as far as gas to push things forward, we had to get an attractive character. And I guess we're looking for someone as an individual with a lot of the different actions as far as we were talking about. I guess other individuals they were like scared to do, you know, like this, wear their feathers, wear the, you know, leave like, you know, rep who they are and leave the house like this. I went to my job like this, my cultural attire. You guys know that I'm American. Not any other thing, not any foreigner entity or anything like that. You dig? I am what my ancestors are. This is my land. This is my homeland. I love my continent, by the way. So, yeah. But that takes courage, and a lot of people were scared because we spoke to the blacks, and they were indeed scared because of that. But yeah, you see the other secrets as well. This is great. Lead secret, lead squeeze funnel surveys. All right. Let's see, funnel scripts. Perfect webinar script. Oh, the perfect webinar script. Yay. Even I forgot to tell y'all. Y'all know I got a perfect webinar. I might do another video for that. It's really short. What is the online marketing wizard fraternity doesn't want you to know? And is this book a fraud? Okay. This is a lot. It's a lot. I'm excited, y'all. Oh, there's how the funnel works. Here's how the funnel. Traffic, lead capture, sales process, order, upsell, send. A sales funnel is similar to cloning the best salesperson you have and having them guide your prospect through the entire sales process until you reach your desired destination. Whew. I like this, y'all. This is cool, man. This is really cool. You know, I got tons of books to read. Like I told you, I was reading the 30 Days book, like I just showed you over there. So this is awesome. This is awesome. But yeah, we got more content coming up. You guys want to book a one-on-one coaching session? You guys can do that, or you could just DM us on Instagram. You know, Healing Through Inspiration, no spaces. We have our other stuff in the description box. Once you guys check out, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Peace, love, and light.